Very good morning, students. I welcome you all to maths class. In today's class, we will see exercise 12.6 of chapter 12, that is time. Today, we will discuss last to left questions of this very chapter, that are word problems. Okay, you can see, I'll show you the question. First of all, you all open page number 181. Okay, now you see here. Question I'm showing you. A concert started at 10:20 am and ended at 12 noon. How long did the concert last? So you have to calculate here the time duration. Okay, you see here. You have to calculate. You have to calculate the time duration. Okay, question number 2. First of all, we will write the statement related to this very word problem. Concert started at what time? 10:20 am. So first of all, we will write. A concert started at is equal to 10:20 am. Okay, we have written the statement. Now next is the concert ended at 12 noon, means afternoon time. Okay, how long did the concert last? The time duration of the concert is equal to the time duration of the concert is equal to let us start. Okay, first of all, you see early morning is what? 10:20 am. Okay, so after 10 what will be the timing? 11. We want to make it straight. Okay, I want to make it straight, but 10:20 and 11 am. After how many minutes 11 am will be there? So how you will calculate it? 60 minutes. How many minutes has already? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You all know. Yes, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Out of that 60, how many minutes has already passed? 20 minutes has already passed. So after 40 minutes, what will be the timing? 11 am. Right here, 11 am. Now from 11 am, 12 noon. You know, afternoon time, am will change to what? PM. So this things please check, okay, properly. See, 11 to 12. What is the timing here? 1 hour. Now you know total time is visible here. Total time duration will be what? 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. Check it. Okay. And write it down in your copy. And nicely you have to draw the flow chart also. Everything should be clear. Okay. You can write here 1 hour. Sorry, this is minute. And this is 20 minutes. How have I calculated? See, 20 minutes already was here, 10:20. So after subtracting it from 60, you got to know that after 40 minutes, what will be the timing? 11 am. Generally, we make it straight, okay? So that for calculation it becomes easy. So this was all about question number 2. Now let me first of all explain you question number 3 and then we'll solve it. Now see, question number 3. Venu reached Delhi on 6th March and left on 15th March. Okay, so Venu is the name of a boy and he reached Delhi on 6th of March and he left Delhi on 15th of April. So you have to calculate the number of days he stayed in Delhi. So let us see. Okay, now let us see Question number 3. When reached Delhi on when it is 6th of March. Okay. Now, as you know, in the month of March, okay, I'm leaving here, please. I'll do some calculation over there. When you return from Delhi, when did he return from Delhi? He returned from Delhi on 15th of April. Okay, now you see, we have to calculate the number of days he stayed there. So first of all, you know, 15 days in April. Let us talk about April first of all. So here he stayed from 1st April to how much April? To 15th April. So बताओ, how many days he stayed in April? 15 दिन. Okay, 1 से 15. So he stayed in the month of April. He stayed in Delhi for how many days? 15 days. Now let us calculate how many days he stayed in Delhi in the month of March. You know, in the month of March, how many days are there? March has 31 days. Okay. Total number of days in March is equal to how much? 31 days. And he reached Delhi on 6th of March. So how many days he stayed on the month of March? Number of days when number of days when you spent in March is equal to what? 31 days में 6 days you minus how much you get? 11 minus 6, 5, 25 days. In the month of March he stayed for how many days? 25 days. And here you write number of days when you spent in April is equal to what? 15 days. This we have already easily calculated. Now total number of days we will calculate. Total number of days when you number of days when you spent in Delhi is equal to what? Here you see in the month of March how many days he has stayed? 25 days. And in the month of April how much he has stayed? 15 days. So what will be the total? 25 days plus 15 days. Add it, how much you will get? You will get 40 days. Okay. So this is your answer. Copy it down nicely. So total number of days Venu spent in Delhi is equal to what? 25 days plus 15 days. Answer is what? 40 days. So nicely you have to write this statement and clarify everything. Okay. You see how I have solved? Write the statement properly and then you have to nicely write it down in the copy. Okay, you can see Venu reached Delhi on 6th of March. So in the month of March, how many days are there? Total 31 days. So Venu spent how much? 31 minus 6 is equal to 25 days in Delhi. And likewise same, Venu returned from Delhi इज इक्वल टू वॉट, व्हेन ही रिटर्न फ्रॉम दिल्ली 15 अप्रैल, तो 15 अप्रैल तक तो वो वहीं था ना, उस दिन वो रात में वापस आया, तो हाउ मेनी डेज ही हैज स्पेंट इन अप्रैल, 1st of April to 15th of April. So we have that way we got 15 days. So total number of days we have calculated. Okay. So thank you everyone.